you so much, darling, our butterfly, where they always give us some traffic updates for the road of Lagos. Now, they always like tell you, say, no worry, very soon we go enter other states so that you go, they know where traffic day for your state. Now, a few months ago, one particular painter in pictures with a trend online. The morning show ladies decide to go meet this painter to find out whether truly na in the painter or not being the painter. Make we watch this one.
Olumide na one kind gentle boy like every other boy wey dey our community, and Olumide na artist and a professional artist at the same time. I attend this primary school in Ogun State, in Pangrove. We call it Jebutedu Primary School in Pangrove, and I proceeded to Baptist High School and later to Immaculate Heart Comprehensive High School, sorry. And later, me I can go Yaba Tech, studying general arts for 2 years, and me I can specialize in painting for 2 years. So immediately me I come up for school now. I just dey hustle for outside to do wetin I sabi do. Painting has been in me right from secondary school days, because then that is when we were introduced to watercolor and poster color. So now me I don't use brush and poster color to do my thing, and from there I still say I can still do it while in university or polytechnic. So I decided to like move on to do what I love doing. So now, from there, I still do them up to now. The thing be say it get difficult for people to see how they look like in the bathroom. You understand? So it did difficult. Me I can't say I like water, and I see children that really like water around me. It's something that the thing we say I just like to like portray, because it's something difficult for me to do. So me I dey look into that avenue and do something difficult. People will know me when I dey start. They're gonna say painting. You understand? The only thing me I go tell them say, now for real, no be anything computer. Na for real, na drawing on canvas with brushes and color. Now I take start. So now I take finish am. So now the thing way I go even tell them, now for real, if they want, maybe in the couple of weeks now we go do something. Maybe say people go feel see and well. Some people will not come my place. They go see and they will come one venue. Maybe say we go put the work there. They will come see by themselves and feel it. The business, they somehow in the beginning, because you know say it's difficult for you to penetrate into one industry, and you meet a lot of people in your front, so you need to like learn from them. So now the thing with me I do that time, I try to learn from, try to like mingle with all those people where they into the industry before me, and from there me I learn some things, and I pick up the interest of meeting galleries where they sell art. So from there, they try to patronize me, and some will not patronize me, but send me away, say me I never ripe for them to put my work in their shop or their gallery. So since now the thing with me I like doing for a longer time, so I know look down as anything. Me I just do my thing on my way. The only thing me I go say is say, our government gets laws. If the government feel assist with their law, everybody will appreciate art, because not be everything be to the hit. There are some things we say you go look, you go relax. relax, you go remind yourself of waiting you don't pass through in your day life. If you come see somebody who can't draw that thing, or your village, or your place where they cut cassava, or your palm kernel. So if you see somebody draw that kind of thing, you will remember those things. And if you get money, buy them. You appreciate the work and pay money to the artist. The artist will do one thing, another way we say you go even like later on. So if something like that they in our system and our culture, everybody, the whole country will do better, and the artists where they do the work self, they grow, they will get family, they go in the system well. Maybe they no put the mindset say they won't get money in anything where they won't do for future, because in a lifetime nobody they go pay you salary. Say you be artist. Now the thing where you do, now they will pay for. So if somebody want to become an artist, or somebody who aspire to be artist in future, at least the person must be hardworking and have patience. A lot of patience. They say patience about you, Abi. So they need to have patience well and be dedicated at the same time to what they do. So the sky will be their limit. My name na Olumide Oreshegun. Me, I be professional artist. Make una dey watch Good Morning Naija show. Make una no touch na dial.
If una know say una just enjoy the video, they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.